Hi everybody, welcome back. I am Carlos Cham and this is Carlito's Cooking Adventures. On this episode, I want to show you how to make sushi rice. This is very, very important if you want to make sushi rolls or hand rolls. When you work at a sushi bar, it takes sometimes up to a year, so you can be trusted to do something else in the kitchen. First things first, learn how to make rice. So this time, I want to show you how to do it in the rice cooker. Every rice cooker has a measuring cup, this, and it also comes with a metal bowl. Rice cooker can vary in prices. You can get a very inexpensive one at your local store. I recommend to get at least $150 to $200 range. That's going to be a very good rice cooker. So first thing you want to do, you want to measure your rice. So I'm going to do 5 cups of rice. I want to make sure the cup is filled all the way to the top. So that's 5 cups right there. Now all I have to do is wash this. So I want to wash that rice 4 times. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get rid of the talc. When they store the rice and they're moving it around, the grains are rubbing up against each other and it releases like a powder. That's what we call the talc. I want to show you something else. You can just run your hand lightly like this. So when you do this, you're helping get rid of that talc. So I'm just going to stir that a few times like that. Now I'm going to drain the water into the sink. Towards the end, you want to check so you don't start losing the rice. Just put your hand at the end. So I'm going to repeat that process again. And when that fills up, I want to tell you, so rice for sushi, it is different than other rice. And it's measured by the grain of the rice. But if you go to your local market, it'll be very easy. Just get a hold of one of the people that work at the market and they'll tell you what the rice appropriate for sushi is. So it's called either a short grain or a medium grain rice. And like I said, just go ask somebody that works at the market and they'll tell you what the proper rice for sushi will be. So I stir the rice again and you can see the water's turning white. So I'm gonna repeat that process 2 more times. Okay, so now I already rinsed this 4 times. The water, it's clear now. And I got the water to number 5. When I said I wanted to make the rice traditionally, I was talking about this. This is kombu. Kombu is kelp. And this stuff, they drag it in the shore and they let the sun dry the salt on it. So if you see it, that's what they make the dashi with. So it's a natural flavor of the ocean into the rice. This is very traditional in Japanese cuisine. So that's it. And now I'm gonna put this on the rice cooker. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna press that button right there. And that's it. Okay, it's been 1.5 hours waiting for the rice. A half hour is what it takes to soak, another half hour to cook, and another half hour to rest. Now we got happy rice. It's right here, it's hot. Okay, kombu out. I want to put some of this vinegar first into the bowl. That way the rice is not going to stick to the bowl. So I'm trying to get that vinegar everywhere. There you go. So now I'm going to take some of the rice. This medium rice came out beautiful. I'm going to use a hand fan a little bit to try to draw some of the steam. So, and I'm going to put a little bit more vinegar as well. This rice came out perfect. Love these rice cookers. Makes my life so much easier. Okay, so that's all the rice. 5 cups of rice. That's it. Now, put that over here. Get the rest of the vinegar. So for 5 cups of rice, 1 cup of seasoned vinegar. Remember, that vinegar already has salt and sugar. And I went to every market here in the States, and so easy to find. So what I'm doing, I'm just separating the rice. See that? I'm using the spatula to cut the rice. And I'm going around, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it like this. And I have a hand fan. It's right here. This works perfect, like this. So what I'm doing with this, I'm cooling the rice, and also helps it to draw some of the moisture, so the rice is not too wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir it. By mixing the rice, that way you're making sure every grain of rice is separate and is being flavored with the vinegar. This is gonna make beautiful sushi rolls. We're almost done. It's pretty simple. But if you follow these steps, you'll see how every time your sushi rolls will look better and better. And I will teach you all the techniques that it's gonna take to make a perfect sushi party, and you can have a big party with all your friends. So it's almost there. I need to draw a little bit more of the moisture. And all I have to do is blow some air. This fluffs the rice as well. Well, I think this is it. We have beautiful sushi rice. I hope this tutorial is very helpful to you. And if you wanted to subscribe, all you have to do is click on my nose right now and share the videos. I think it's gonna be very helpful to you and all your friends, and make some beautiful sushi. Until next time, I'm Carlitos, and thank you for watching Carlitos Cooking Adventures.